Hi, my name is Clint Cooley. I'm with Votronics Premier here in Allen, Texas. We're a 21-year-old organization. We do contract manufacturing of all types. I personally have been in the industry for 30 years in contract manufacturing and engineering services and design. So I've got a lot of experience and a track record since the 90s with this type of business. And just want to say that we're very happy to be partnering with MacroFab, a truly innovative platform. What sold us on the MacroFab platform is the fact that a lot of contract manufacturers are tied up very extensively in capital, and that capital is primarily for customer material, which is a turnkey operation. We buy the material typically and then do the assembly of the circuit boards. MacroFab solves that for us in a large way by supplying all of the components and necessary tooling for that matter for every job. What that allows us to do, we have traditional customers, of course, but what that allows us to do with the MacroFab partnership is to divert capital to new equipment acquisitions, new personnel, technicians that's needed to continue to expand our capabilities and keep up with technologies. Also, I must say that the one-stop shop business model and the cloud manufacturing that MacroFab has employed and come up with is actually realized. That's been talked about for 30 years, companies trying to do that, but the technology wasn't quite right and no one's really ever accomplished that before MacroFab. So we're really sold on that aspect of it. And I think that's what drew us initially to the platform.